Let's learn how we can make screen recordings using myViewBoard for Windows. Start by locating the camera icon. The screen recording icon is the second one from the right. It's a rectangle and it looks like it has a little record button on the bottom right. When you select that, what it does is it opens up the screen recording menu. Now you have two ways you can screen record: full screen, or the one next to it is the area capture, so if you only want to record a certain amount. The three dots on the far right let you change the resolution, the delay timer for when your recording starts, and of course if you have a microphone you prefer, you can select those there. Let's go ahead and start our recording and we'll get our countdown. Now while it's recording, you'll see the little toolbar on the far right appear there. That lets you pause or stop your recording. But anything I do, anything I write here on the canvas, all this is being recorded, including any of my dialogue or anything that I'm saving, assuming I use the screen recorder. This is also true when I'm in Windows toggle mode. So here I'm in desktop mode. Notice my little toolbar is still down there. It's still recording. If you're not familiar how to use Windows toggle mode, be sure to check out our video on that. Now let's go back to our recording window down here on the right. And again, we can pause this or stop it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get back into the software and let's stop our recording. And we're going to get a preview. So we want to play it. It's always good to make sure or test your video, and you'll see that it recorded everything that we did. If I want to save this video, you'll see that there is a disk or a save icon there on the bottom right. And this lets me save it either to my device or any cloud storage you have connected, like Google Drive here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the folder where I want to save this. Give it a name down here. It does save as MP4 format. And now my video is being uploaded and it is saved for me to use later.
Our ViewSonic certified trainers are excited to work with you. If you'd like to have someone on site or virtually guide you through a hands-on learning, please reach out to PDTeamUS@viewsonic.com.